How to clean the clear window on a Shark vacuum. The first thing you need to do is remove the front roller. Then get a corner of a small cloth, then feed it into the brush. Then manually turn the power brush until the cloth goes all the way through, cleaning the window.